Welcome back to Think Sharp Ali. Your daily dose of board exam prep starts now. Here is today's must-know MCQ for class 10.
Can you tell the signs of A, B and C just by looking at this graph? If the diagram shows the graph of the polynomial fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then what can you say about the sign of A, B and C? Here the parabola opens upward. So A is positive, A is greater than 0 we can say. Now look at the y-intercept. Do you know what is y-intercept? Graphically speaking, y-intercept is the point where the graph cuts the y-axis, which means this is the y-intercept. And in the polynomial, if we put x equal to 0, then we will get a into 0 square plus b into 0, which means these two terms vanishes, plus c. So f0 is equal to c. So which means c is the y-intercept. Remember, in a polynomial, the constant term gives the y-intercept. So here, C is here, this point, right? That is where the graph cuts the y-axis. Since C is above the x-axis, so C is also greater than 0. Now let's determine the sign of B. For this, we can observe that the graph cuts the positive x-axis at two different points. That means the zeros of the polynomial are two positive numbers, which means sum of the zeros is also going to be positive because positive plus positive is obviously positive, right? So sum of the zeros is positive, which implies minus b by a is positive, and that implies b by a is negative, right? If minus b by a is positive, which means b by a must be negative, and that means b and a must have opposite sign. Now we have already proved that a is greater than 0, and that implies b must be less than 0. It is an upward graph and sum of the roots is positive, b must be negative. So the signs are A is positive, B is negative and C is positive. If you got this, you are mastering graph-based questions.
Subscribe to Think Sharp Ali and click that bell icon. Master one question every day. See you tomorrow.